Need a real Hostinger coupon code and a quick Hostinger review? Here's the simplest way to get the best deal. Hostinger is currently offering discounts on all plans. And when you use my link in the description or scan the QR code, you'll unlock an extra 20% discount, plus 3 extra months added automatically. In this Hostinger review, the focus is on speed and ease. You get fast performance, a free domain, free SSL, daily backups, LiteSpeed servers, and the Hostinger website builder, so launching your site is quick and straightforward. If prices aren't shown in your local currency, click the flag icon in the top right corner and select your country. The pricing updates instantly. With these features, Hostinger is often considered one of the best web hosting platforms, and every plan includes a 30-day money-back guarantee. So to use the Hostinger coupon code, get the extra 20% off and 3 additional months. Just tap the link below or scan the QR code.